So guys, so today we have a brand new video. So today, we were walking here and we heard some noises, some creepy noises. So today, we're gonna come in and explore. So we were walking over here where the trash is, and then we end up hearing some noises from over there, like maybe something moving. So right now it's 6:27, and we were like here like about 45 minutes ago, but it was like so dark so we couldn't see, and yeah, so we heard some noises from over there. Look guys, you guys could get a pair of Jordans. So yeah, and then we saw a rabbit like running, or like a type of animal that like running across. So it came over here and then stopped and then started running. So then, okay, you heard that, guys? Man, something is moving from over there. Dude, something is moving from over here. Like, over here.
It's just the wind. Don't you feel it? Right. It's wind.
Dude, you heard that? No, wait. You heard that? Well, no. You heard somebody cough over there?
Yeah.
Dude, man.
Keep away.
Oh. If we hear something, we run. That's all. Yeah. Okay, let's okay, so when we were here, we were like all the way over, like at that side over here, and then we saw like two people walking and started like going over there, and then we saw like three persons in a bike going over there also. And then that thing kind of make it like weird, and then like let's say 15 minutes ago, I mean 15 minutes later, we end up hearing like a pig, like let's say like how people are like trying to kill it. So we hear a pig, and then we got scared. And then we went to see, and then nothing happened. And then then we came from over there, and then we end up seeing a cage like on a cart. So that makes it strange. And then right now, when we were walking over here, we saw a rabbit, or like I don't know, type of animal, another animal that came and run over there. So we're gonna go and find out. Okay.
You see? There's like a little fence.
Where?
There's a little fence.
Oh.
Oh shit, you can't see it from here.
Yes. So right now I just heard a person, so I guess come on, let's go. Nothing is happening right now. So far. Okay, so as you guys can hear, I heard something moving over there, and I heard a person. That's kind of creepy. So yeah, and then there's houses, everything over here, over there, but it doesn't look like there's anything. Look at guys, there's anything over there. So it's kind of weird. People are going over there. So yeah, I think that's all. And yeah, so nothing really happened. See, nothing. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and peace.